In the field of plasma welding, for over 30 years, SAF has made considerable developments in the application of the plasma process. Principally, in the flat position for butt welding of plates or tubes, handling of parts is simplified. Elimination of toolings required for aligning and maintaining roundness of shells. One installation for all plasma operations. Multi-position welding head, horizontal, vertical, vertical up, down, flat position and angular. Easier control and adjustment. Supplementary axes of welding available by analog control piloted by the control system.